How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. First, open your Facebook and then click on the three bars at the top right corner. So click on Settings and Privacy at the very bottom and then click on Settings. So scroll down and you'll see the heading Your Information. So go ahead and click on Download Your Information. So go ahead and click on Deselect All and then only select the messages. If you want to download something else, you can go ahead and tick that on as well. And scroll all the way to the bottom. So you can set a date range instead of all your data. And you can just click on it and set it from which date which you would like to download. You can select the format and which media quality you would like. And once you do that, go ahead and click on Create File. And then once you do that, it'll show up in the available copies here after a few hours or a day. And then you'll be able to download your file. So it will only be available for downloads for a few days. And it will be a password protected process that only you will have access to. And once you have downloaded the file, you can just click on which person that you would like to see the messages of, and there will be a folder with your name, and just click on it and you can look through the messages for the date that you have selected. So this is how to recover deleted messages on Messenger.